Hey everyone, Serena B here and welcome back to my crafty channel. Today's video is going to be about my December Memories album and my kit, and then I'll show you how I prep and everything else. I thought this would be fun to do. I'm gonna start prepping my album. I don't do foundation pages, but I will in this case do something because it's an empty blank album. So I'm gonna start with just pulling some stuff from my stash, showing you the kit I put together. It's really small and I'm really excited about this because I don't have a gigantic stock of things that I want to use, and that makes me really happy. So hopefully I'll get through this really quickly during the month of December. Maybe I'll even be able to finish it early. So I'm really excited about this year's December Memories album. If you guys want to know more about my December dailies, I will link down below a December daily roundup video. I show you all my December dailies. This is my sixth one, my 6th year, and I'll show you all the different styles and formats and talk about it all. So I'll make sure to link that as a card and down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. And I do kind of explain at the end of that video my plan for 2018. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about that, but this is the album I'm using. It's a polka dot gold foil album from Target. And I just have one plastic page because I'm really into the open page concept. So I have this one here. I think I'm going to make like a giant shaker, and if I want to add more I can always come back, and I even can add some simple stories ones, like little 4x6 configurations. So now I'm going to show you my little kit that I put together. I went through my stash and I pulled out a bunch of paper bags and cards that I want to use. So I have some of these cards. These are from the Merry Days collection, which I should mention I will be using solely the Merry Days collection, and then a couple of like little stickers and stuff from my stash. But so my plan is to use Merry Days, which is great because I have the whole collection, and it's easier to design and create a cohesive album and projects when you have a full collection of something, which is something new to me. In the past I would just buy a couple items here and there, and I still do that. I mix and match collections and companies all the time. I am enjoying using a full range of a new collection. So yeah, these are the cards from the Merry Days collection, and this one is really cool. It opens up, so like my plan is to punch holes in this, take this out, put a picture, and that way I can like do a little layering thing, or maybe even make a shaker, and then the back is still pretty and decorated, so I can put another photo here or do my journaling. I'm going to use this card as a page. Then I was thinking of using this and gluing it on my page so that it has like an opening effect. I have this blue paper bag. I thought it would match the collection really well. I don't think I'll use this, but I have it just in case. It's like a little coin envelope, but it's kind of graphic. It doesn't really go with the flow of the album. This is an envelope that comes with the card, so I thought I can use an envelope easily. I can write my December letter, because I do, in Project Life, I do a letter to myself every month. So I can do my December letter in this envelope. I have this little candy cane glassine bag. Next I have this really pretty glassine gold polka dot. I have this polka dot one I actually got at Joann's. It's part of the Halloween collection, but it's such a nice cream that I can decorate it and it will look really nice with the Merry Days. And then I have a regular glassine bag. I might, you know, use it on a page and like as a layering effect, and then I can add my photos or my journaling on the inside. I have this paper pocket, one more smaller glassine pocket. And then I have these little tiny pockets from Hobby Lobby, and then one larger pocket from Hobby Lobby. So I have these pockets and options to play with. So I don't know how many pages I'm gonna need, so I'm kind of gonna play it by ear, but I just pulled out some of my favorite patterns that I'm gonna want to include. I have the packaging. I do this a lot. I save cute packaging like this, so I can always cover this up with pattern paper and then make a little layout on this. This is part of the 12 by 12 sheet. I like it because it's double-sided. All the 6 by 8 sheets are single-sided, so I'm not quite sure if I'm going to back them up. I think I will. I just don't want to waste too much adhesive, but I think I will back them up. So really quickly, I'm just going to go through the patterns I selected. I thought this would be really fun for the cover, like December 2018, so I'm not really sure. I might use this as a cover, but I also have another option I'll show you after. I try to select an even amount of busy patterns and then simple background patterns you can layer on top of. But this is one of my favorites. It's so pretty. So that's my paper, and then I have a couple of 12 by 12 sheets here that I still have to cut down to size. So I have the vellum, which I absolutely love, and this is another option for a cover or just a decorative piece inside the album to kind of break apart. Let's say if I have a couple of really busy spreads or too many photos, I can use this as a little break. So I'm going to cut this down to size. This is from Heidi Swap. I got it in a recent haul. I'll link my hauls down below if you guys want to check it out. But the colors match really, really nicely with the Mary Days, so I might cut this up. This is a Mary Days paper, again double-sided, so I might cut this one down. I love this one, so I might want to include this because I love both sides. And then I have some Fa La La, so I'm going to try and include this beautiful birdie one. I absolutely love this page, and the back is just as beautiful. This is another Fa La La pattern, so pretty, and the back is simple too, so I like these two back-to-back pages. By using double-sided paper, it eliminates one extra step of work for me to do. For the other papers, I'm gonna have to back them up. This is already decorated on both ends. I don't have to do that. So those are the papers. Next, I'm gonna show you all of the embellishments I put together. I'm so excited because I managed to just fit everything in this really flat, like, thin, shallow basket. But first I'm going to show you the chipboard because it's really big, it doesn't fit. So I have this chipboard sheet that I'm going to be using, and then I have Tim Holtz occasion stickers. I like these little tiny word stickers and I use these a lot in my project life. I have the 6x8 paper pad with other patterns that I can go to if I need more paper. This is from Michaels last year, and I don't know, I thought this might be fun to have. The colors match a lot. I like these kind of simple, as you can see, I really use this one up. The simple font, the snowflakes, like this is so basic enough that it'll match a lot of the stuff I'm going to be using. Really quickly, there's some really nice numbers that I can use too. I might mix and match my numbers. I haven't decided yet. So you see there's different options for numbers. And then I have these little gifts I might want to use. These are from Michaels. And then I have these Heidi Swap numbers. I'm not quite sure if I'll use them or not, if they'll match the album or not, because it's very graphic, but I have these here nonetheless, just in case. This way everything is in one spot. I don't have to dig through my stash. I have the Mary Days stickers. I have the Mary Days fabric buttons. I have these stickers. They are from 7 Paper for Studio Calico. They're really old, and these colors match really nicely as well. I love tiny word stickers in projects. And then I have these adhesive sequins that I thought I can use. These little cute cups from Michaels. And then I have these Fa La La little tassels that my friend Mary Beth sent me. They're so cute, and I thought I can use one. Then I have these word scripty stickers. They're clear stickers. I really like these trees. I got them last year and I haven't used them. The little presents are cute. I thought this would be really fun for a cover as well. I'm not really sure. Just, you know, picking out my options. I got these stickers from Serena last year, and I'm really excited because my Michaels never carry them. And they are like little clear word stickers. I got these in October when I went to California to Tuesday morning. So excited. I thought I can use these. These are from Hobby Lobby. These are acrylic and glitter, and I absolutely love them. I have these candy cane stripe alpha stickers from Target last year. My friend Sabrina was kind enough to send me a pack because I was so in love with these, and she picked them up for me. I have this other number option. I have the Mary Days alphas. Then I have these Snow and Cocoa, again, tiny word stickers because I love my little word stickers. I have these rhinestone trees that I got this year at Hobby Lobby. I have the Mary Days puffy stickers, the Mary Days gold puffy word thickers, so cute. And then I have the puffy glittery, what are these called? Shaker stickers. I will be changing this, but I just put it in my little Halloween basket for now. I need something that will hold this a lot better. I have the Mary Days die cuts and tags and glitter paper, and then I have some of the Snow and Cocoa ephemera as well. I have this little wreath sticker. I have a bunch of random bits and bobs. So I have some of the bundled up crepe paper from a couple years ago. I have a Santa, a tag, these little gift card holders I recently picked up. Again, haul will be linked down below. Random stickers, bling, little ephemera pieces. So there's a bunch of random doodads in here. These are the tags that came in the tag kit from Crepe Paper's Mary Days. Then I have some Snow and Cocoa, again bundled up die cuts that I have left in my stash. So I am mixing and matching, but I feel like everything I pulled out will match really nicely. So this is like my die cut random sticker thing. And then lastly, I have this little container here, which I'm gonna be using as I work through it as for my scrap bin. So I have some scraps. I have also my enamel dots that I'm going to want to use. So I've already pulled out all of the like little blingy bits and stuff. And then down here I have a bunch of scraps from the collection. So this is going to be my scrap bin and my blingy bits bin as I work through it, and even maybe I can store my photos in here when I'm ready, when I print them and get ready to work on my album. Oh, and I also have my washi thing here, which is now becoming a giant mess, but I have all the washi tapes that I pulled that I want to use this season that match Merry Days. So yeah, that's my kit. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So I will be working on my December album prep video, so I'll give you more of an insight and my thoughts and ideas of how I'm prepping and kind of explain my process. So I think that's really fun and interesting, and I like watching those type of videos, so I hope you will enjoy that one as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions about anything, leave them down below in the comment box. I will be linking all the products I use down below if you are interested in picking it up for yourself. I am affiliated with scrapbook.com, so if you do decide to shop my links, it would really help my channel and I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much in advance. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!